The Battleborn mobile app allows you to monitor and manage your power system directly from your phone or tablet. Let's focus on the Systems tab and what each section means. The Systems tab is where you view and manage all configured Battleborn power systems from one screen. When you open the Systems tab, you'll see what's called the Primary View. This screen displays all your configured systems in one place, making it easy to monitor multiple installations at a glance. Each system appears as a system tile. A system tile provides essential performance information so you can quickly assess system health without opening the full dashboard. Here's what each element represents. State of charge, or SOC, shows the estimated percentage of charge remaining in the system's battery bank. Voltage displays the current system voltage. This helps confirm charging activity and overall system health. Power in watts indicates real-time power usage or charging power measured in watts. Estimated runtime provides an estimate of how long the system can continue operating based on the current load. If insufficient data is available, this field may display dashes instead. Each system tile also includes visual indicators to help you quickly assess system condition. Connection Status Indicator shows the communication strength between the app and the system. System Status Light, a color-coded indicator of overall system state. Green indicates normal operation. Yellow indicates a warning or reduced performance. Red indicates a fault condition or that the system is offline. These indicators allow you to identify issues quickly without navigating deeper into the app. On each system tile, you'll see a 3-dot icon. Tapping this opens system management options specific to that system. From here, you can edit the system name to better organize multiple installations, access help resources or submit a support request, or delete the system from the app. Note that deleting a system only removes it from the app interface. It does not delete or reset any physical hardware. From the Systems tab, you can also create or import a new system by following the setup prompts or scanning a pre-configured QR code provided by a dealer or installer. That's how the System tab works inside the Battleborn mobile app. For more information, visit battleborn.com.